We've had some wonderful winners so far, but when people talk about Africa in general, they say it's the land of opportunities and projects. So per year, there's thousands of projects going on the continent, whether it's per scale, per financing, however you want to scale it. So now we're moving on to the category that is rewarding the best SHS company or project of the year. And within that category, people that have placed themselves, that have put themselves outside the box are, first of all, Ignite Power for connecting households in Rwanda for under $1 a month. Finergreen for assisting MyJoulebox in raising a 3 million Serie A round to assist expansion into Burkina Faso, Senegal, and Togo. And then we have ARESS for having installed 4,000 systems to date and impacting 40,000 actually systems to date and impacting 5,000 businesses in Benin. Like I said at the beginning, the competition this year is, is very fierce. And the winner is Ignite Power. Is there anyone representing them?
I think Ignite Power is joining us, and she's just finding
Yes.
out now that she's won.
She's just joining us through
Welcome.
Zoom.
How are you?
Hi, everyone. I'm
We're gonna
so
have
sad
fun.
we could not be there with you to celebrate. My name is Gal, and I'm here with Ignite Power. I want to thank, firstly, the entire AFSIA team, and of course, the judges. We've been working really hard to impact as many people as we can across Africa, and I believe that this prize will be taking us even further with our impact. So thank you for considering us, and thank you for this award, and thank you for all the other companies for your great, great work. Thank you.
Thank you, Gal. Thanks for being with us tonight.